Hi to everyone. Today we will discuss about the software tools in cybersecurity. Last video we will discuss about the problem definition and methods of problem definition and how to solve the problem. All those are discussed. Now we will discuss about the software tools in cybersecurity. What are the software tools? Are there tools because why we are using the software tools? All those are today we will discuss. And don't skip this video, watch till end of the video and like this video so that it reaches to so many students and they will learn all these topics. And first you like this video and don't skip this video. And this subject cybersecurity is there for M.tech students and b.tech students. Now the cybersecurity is more trending. Let's start video. Software tools in cyber security. What are the tools are there? Synthesis frameworks. First one is, these are the tools which are there in cyber security. In this synthesis frameworks. In synthesis frameworks there are the subtools are there, that is synthesis toolkits and synthesis of reactive controllers. In theory subjects you remember that in semester exams you should write in point wise so that the examiner will get good impression on your booklet and they will give good marks. So don't write in paragraphs, you should write in point wise and note down these points in your notes. First you note down these points students, so prepare well and write well exams. Now we will see. First one is synthesis frameworks and in that synthesis toolkits. It is the subheading. And next one, synthesis of reactive controllers. It is also there. And next one, second one is formal verification and logic tools. In that subheading is Z3 solver is there. And next, hybrid systems tools. It is the third method in software tools. In this hybrid systems tools, high-tech. Next one, space exchange. Space exchange also is there. And next one, programming and development frameworks. In this we will use the programming and development frameworks. We will develop the frameworks. And next, fifth one method is optimization and planning tools. In this we will use the optimization and planning tools. Also we will use the planning tools. Now we will see each one of them in this software tools. Now we will see tools are designed for the automated synthesis, which means that these tools are used to design for automated synthesis. And of embedded control, SW means software. SW means software. Embedded control software meets given specification using symbolic. By using the symbolic, this control software will control the software meets. And next one, synthesis of reactive controllers. In this subheading, now we will see a tool is designed to synthesize controllers for linear, temporal, logical specifications. Temporal is also known as TLS. TLS is nothing but temporal logic specification. In this, tools are designed to the controllers from linear temporal logic specifications. And second method is formal verification and logic tools, Z3 solver. In this Z3 solver, satisfiability modular theory solver that helps to synthesizing and verification. This Z3 solver is used to the synthesizing and verifying the system. For verification and the synthesizing system we will use these verification tools. And components by solving logical problems. It is used to solve the logical problems. Logical problems is nothing but addition and or not. Those are the logical. In this we will solve the logical problems. And next one, hybrid system tools high-tech. Hybrid system tools high-tech is nothing but a tool for symbolic analysis of hybrid systems for combined discrete and continuous behavior. It will be combined both the discrete and continuous behavior, which means that which is fundamental cyber security. It is fundamental cyber security. And next one, subheading is space example. Space example is nothing but a platform reachability analysis hybrid automata. In this, a platform of reachability analysis and hybrid phenomena, finite automata we will use in this hybrid systems. And next, fourth method is programming and development frameworks, which means that programming languages also like Java, Python, SQL, C++, C, all those are Ruby, MySQL, all programming languages also used the cyber security, and development frameworks. To develop those frameworks also we will use this method, software tools in cyber security. Widely used for designing, it is used in programming. We will use widely designing, simulating and synthesizing control systems. In programming languages, we will use designing purpose and simulating purpose and also synthesizing control systems. And this is used. Next, development. Development purpose also for developing the applications or developing the programs. Also we will use this software tools. And it includes toolboxes for model based, and it is also used for model based design and analysis, and it is also to the designing purpose and analysis purpose also used the software tools. Okay na? Next one, optimization and planning tools. Optimization and planning tools means a problematic model checker that can be applied for systems with sort of sophisticated analysis and synthesis analysis. It is used to the sophisticated and analysis and synthesis are needed to, it is needed, okay na, in this optimization. Next, Optima. Optima is nothing but a tool for modeling. For modeling purpose we will use. Next, optimization purpose we will use, and coding generation in CPS is nothing but cyber physical systems. Cyber physical systems. Cyber physical systems is also known as the cyber security. Cyber security and cyber physical systems are both same. Okay na? Next, this is used for code generation. For code purpose also we will use this cyber code generation in CBS. This is about the software tools in cyber security. And note down these points in your students and prepare well and write well exams. If you have any doubts about this video, you will write in comments. I will reply to you. If you are watching first time, subscribe our channel. Click on bell icon so that when I will upload the videos, you will get my notification. And like this video so that it reaches to so many students, so they will learn all these topics. Next, share this video. So in description I will send the cloud computing link and cyber security playlist link and C programming playlist link. Thank you. In next video we can meet.